and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl Keona Michelle. I'm coming to you with the unboxing. This is for the month of June. Now I can't really show you the box because they put my address on the front and the back, but this is for your nail lab. This is from a cart. And if you hear anything, that's my son. He was upstairs, he just came down here, so yeah. But we're gonna unbox this together and see what's in here. This is like my third box, so you know, I'm trying to see if this is something that I want to keep or is this a box I want to get rid of. But I do love nail supplies, so I mean, you can always use some new rhinestones, girl. And when you first open it, it says, "Hey babe," and then it says your nail lab in a box, and then it has the website right there. And it always comes with this brown actual paper, balled up paper, okay? And this is the inside. So we're gonna get into it. The first thing we have is the Hey Babes. This is for the, I was trying to see if it has a month on there. It doesn't, so it's a code on there if you want to go ahead and screenshot that. If you actually want to go on their website and buy something other than subscribing to the box, it's a code on there, like a percentage off, 15% off. It's Just Add Glitter. I'll put it on the screen. So if you want to do a full purchase of anything, you get 15% off with using Just Add Glitter. So there you go. First thing we have in here is this. It's in a little packet. So we're gonna see what this is. And it just looks like a lot. Oh, these are really cute. These are like some nail.
I like this too.
Did you? These are some nail charms. They're gold. They look so pretty. They're really pretty. I want to see if I can take one out so y'all can like actually see it. It has like a little hanging piece to it. And it's like, that is so pretty. Oh, that is really cute. That's really cute. I'm going to see if I can take better pictures of it sitting down so you all can actually see what it is. But it's just a whole bunch of dangly little nail charms. That's all it is. So that's the first thing. And then we have another container, but this has rhinestones in it. And they're all different shapes and sizes. And like I said, you can never have too many rhinestones. So this definitely is going to go in use. And these are the actual, well, they're all different tones, as you can see. We have some iridescent ones, but then the black tone, then the regular white ones. So a lot of different pretty colors, really, really cute. And there are some bigger ones in here with some bigger different shapes. So that is really cute. The next thing we have are some big baby looking charms. It's in this packet, so I'm going to open the packet up. These are really cute and they're so loud. Look at that. Okay, so these are some big baby charms. As you can see right here, just different type of pastel colors. We have like baby candy, like a little baby binky, a starfish, all types of stuff. It's a pear in here. Just really pretty little charms to put on your nails. And then the next thing we have in here are some nail stickers. Now this box is $35, so you all can let me know down in comment section, is this worth the $35 from the videos that you have been seeing, or if you have seen other people like unbox their box, do you think it's worth $35 or not? Put it in the comment section. But I love nail supplies, so I would buy this stuff off of Amazon anyway. So if I'm not getting it from this box, I'm getting it off of Amazon, you know, or I'm getting it from the Dollar Tree or Family Dollar. So the next thing were these stickers. So we have these star stickers over here, and then we have this thing of stickers. So that's all they are. And then we have some, I can't take this out, but they're like some little hearts, like clear hearts, and they're really, really cute. I don't have anything like this, so I'm super excited that I received this, and I can't wait to do a nail set, something very creative and different with this, because I've never seen that before. So then we have in here, we have a all-in-one acrylic and dip powder system. Okay, and I'll show you the color. I don't really do acrylic, but I do want to get into it. I just have to take the time to sit down and actually get into it, but I don't currently do it now. But this is how it looks. It's like glittery and it's like a light pink, but this is really cute. So then I have this glitter. This is a really pretty color. Oh, it's sparkling so much. That is so cute. I'm excited about that. I always need new glitters. And they also gave me another one in this little, like, this is like a pink color. I want to say rose gold, but it looks kind of pink. Really cute. And then we have some gel polishes, which your girl can never have enough gel polish. So I have this color. This is Blueberry Bubblegum. This is really cute. This is how it looks like this. Oh my God, this is so pretty. This is really pretty. It looks like a jelly. That is really cute. I really like the color. It looks like a jelly blue. Oh, that is pretty. And then I have another color as well. I have this color. This is called Cheerleader. And it looks like this. Oh, but it looks like a... It says Cheerleader and it's like an orange color. Or like an orangish reddish color. I didn't expect that. No, it actually looks orange. I think it's just the light making it look like that. Oh, that is so cute. I wasn't expecting that at all. And it looks like it's pink right here. So that's kind of different. The last thing I have is a nail extension gel. It's a UV and LED quick building nail gel. It looks like this. Okay. And they package this kind of different. If it's the same thing I was getting at first. Yeah, I think this is the same thing. It says 922 on there. And it's sealed, but I'm going to take it off. So, yeah, it's just the same thing I was getting. It's just like a blue color. And I guess it's just for nail extensions if you want to make the nail longer or make your real nail longer. So, yeah. Those are all the things that I have. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you've seen something that you like, let me know down below in the comment section. If you like this box and you think it's worth $35, girl, let me know down in the comment section. If you like, Keona, don't get that box no more because, baby, that stuff don't even add. Let your girl know so she don't be wasting her money. But those are everything that I have in this month's box. I will put the link down below if you're interested. Again, this box comes once a month. It is $35 every single month. I'm not sure if they give you the option to skip a month or not, but it comes every single month around the same time, the beginning of the month. And I'll put the link down below just in case you want to get your box, girl, because we all can be up here doing popping nails and wearing popping nails, but I don't never have no popping nails when I do the video. Like, girl, get it together. But yes, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit me at Instagram at my business page, which is Press Nails and Beauty, as well as my just regular page that I be trying to keep up with and put some pictures when I can, when they look right. But your girl can't post for nothing, so that's neither here nor there. But it's Musics44. Go ahead and I have all my Snap, all that stuff, Facebook, if y'all want to, you know, connect on her as well in the description box for you. But this is Keona Michelle, and your girl is checking out. Don't forget, we love nails over here, baby. Peace.